Okay, folks, we're back for another episode of looking at the ingenuity of the past. Check out this thing. It's for punching holes in leather. It's got a little cutter. When it cuts it, it pushes it, keeps pushing, and then it comes out the end here. It has right here, it's just a piece of metal that goes through a hole in this ring here. There's a little indent, right? Because as you turn it around, listen. Well, you can't hear it, but you can feel it. Right? Catches right there. Go right here. Boom. Worked great.